The security-wise here is quite good.
Peaceful. So we moved to Setia.
I don't prefer an aircon that only give us the aircon air, like dead air. If there is this air fan, there is at least they are blowing in from the outside of the air into our room. There is a circulation. So I think it's better to have this type of refresh air.
The difference are when we on the air management system.
The skin is not so dry, and also the sounds of the aircon is very silent, no noise. We can wake up like you don't feel like very tired, still want to sleep. Firstly, I don't know how to use. It's Panasonic people come and teach my daughter how to use it.
For me, right, I have some lung issue. It's very important because I cannot have dust. So far when we have this system, so far for me it's okay. So even I sleep with my dog, I don't feel those pet smell also in the room.
And we can have a good sleep, no disturbed sleep, and so we wake up more fresher. Actually, I did appreciate that Panasonic gave us this type of system, teach us how to use it, all this.
Across the whole journey, the feeling that I get is very fresh. Yeah, it's definitely worked for me.
I will recommend those people who really want it to try it. It's worth trying having all this. It's worth for your lifetime's use also.
Panasonic Complete Air Management System, a revolutionary system that controls CO2 and PM 2.5 levels, enhanced air quality with optimal performance. And it gets smarter. Humidity control and precise temperature via your smartphone, anytime, anywhere. Enjoy a consistent, comfortable environment for a healthier, more productive you. The system is now ready in Setia Alam houses to provide you with superior indoor air quality and a healthy living environment. For Madam Liu and Karen, it isn't just a technology, it's a home that breathes with life.
Panasonic.